In today's video, I'll show you how to change your email address on HostGator. Whether you're updating your info for security reasons or just starting fresh, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything in under 5 minutes. First, open your browser and type in www.hostgator.com. Once the page loads, click the Sign In button at the top right. Enter your username or current email address along with your password. Then hit Sign In. After signing in, you'll land on the HostGator dashboard. This is the main hub for managing hosting plans, domains, and account settings. For today, we'll focus on your profile. Look for the option labeled Profile in the menu. Clicking here will take you to your account details page where you can update personal information. Inside the profile page, scroll to the section labeled Address. This is where your current contact details, including your email address, are stored. Click on the current email field, delete the old one, and type in your new email address. Double check it carefully so you don't run into issues later. Once you're satisfied, scroll down and click the Save Changes button, usually found at the bottom of the page. This confirms your updates instantly. And that's it. Your email address has been updated on HostGator. The new address will now be used for account notifications and important service updates. Keeping this info current ensures you never miss anything important. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.